Alright, so hey guys, how are you doing? Welcome back to my channel. This is going to be a short and sweet video. It's like a first impressions, maybe a review. We'll see how it goes, but using this Riviera palette by ABH. Girl, look at these colors. Look at this look. I think he snapped. I'm just going to go ahead. It's a little tutorial on this look here. I'm going to do a voiceover because the kids are here again. You know, body slamming. Roaches. And yeah, we're gonna keep it short and sweet. Hey guys, so I'm just here waiting for my ABH email because the bitch is impatient. But while we do that, I'm gonna go ahead and break down this little tutorial for you. So first, I'm using this Morphe brush and I'm jumping into the shade Coastline, and it's gonna be a nice little transition shade when we go in with Bahamas later on. So I'm just smoking that out as close to the brow as possible, but me personally, I don't like it when my shadow's touching my brow because I like to add a little highlight or something. So, you know, whatever you're comfortable with, you can go ahead and do that. So now right after Coastline, I'm going to go in with Bahamas. So Bahama is one of the pressed pigments, I believe, so it's going to be a little tricky to blend this out, but adding that transition shade first really does help. So I like to pick up the shadow on my brush and pack it on and then blend. And this not only helps you control where the color goes so it doesn't go all over the place, but it also helps you get a more seamless blend since you're going in little by little. So we're just going to continue blending that out. Take your time, and while y'all are blending, I'm going to go ahead and check my emails. Oh, what's this? Oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god! Oh my god, bitch. Okay, fuck, hold on, I got... yeah, I'm sorry. That was unexpected, and I'm shaking, but we're gonna, you know, the show has to go on. So, yeah, let's get back to this. So, yeah, go ahead and keep blending Bahama, and, we'll move on to the next step. So right here I'm going in with the purple shade. I believe it's pronounced Cans or Canis. Oops. Yeah, so we're doing the same technique with Bahamas. We're just picking it up a little, packing it on, and then blending out. Short and simple. And you want to try and get a little nice ombre effect from Bahamas to Canis. It was at this point in the video where I realized that this brush from this little AliExpress brush set I got, which I did review on my channel. I'll link that video down below if you're curious, but it's a little more tapered, which means it's a little sharper, pointier kind of at the tip, which will definitely help make this little winged effect that we're going for. So I'm doing the same thing, just packing on the color and blending it out towards the outer corner and up into the crease. So for shades like this, I like to pack them on. You can see it's like a harsh line between Bahamas and Canis, but that's totally fine because, you know, at the end of the day, just keep blending and it's going to work out. So now I grabbed my concealer, which would be the Jouer concealer. I forgot the actual full name, but this was my first time using it under my eyes and to use to like cut out and clean this look. It's amazing so far. That's like my little 0.5 second review on it. But regardless, you're not here for that. We're here for Riviera. I just took a small, tiny detail brush like this. You can get it at like your nearest craft store. Yeah, that's literally it. I think Walmart sells them, Target. Just hunt those down. They're like amazing for detail work like this. And look at me fucking up hiding what I'm supposed to be showing you. I'm so sorry. But yeah, we're going to go ahead and sharpen this little wing out here from Bahamas and Canis. So I just want to apologize, my laptop fan decides to turn on randomly, and it sounds like we're in an airport, but we're going to keep it pushing. I'm just using this little brush here to clean out the edges, putting on a little bit more concealer, and then later on I just set it with the same powder, no big deal. And there I go, not being in frame, I love that. Okay. So this is the most nerve-wracking part of taking this flat little brush from Morphe, and this is where we cut the crease. I don't really have any tips on cutting the crease, so you go ahead, hold your breath, say a prayer, and just go for it, because that's what I do. My good friend Rocio does have a little cut crease tutorial where she shows you how to cut it like 3 different ways, I believe. That bitch is a genius. So I'm gonna link her video down below if you need a little more help in that department, cause I don't got nothing for you. I'm sorry. So now at this point I'm taking that same packing, hello, and I'm gonna go into Canis again, and we're gonna go ahead and emphasize the outer corner and blend in some of the shadow towards the cut so it looks nice and smooth and nothing harsh. Girl, what are you looking at? Focus. Okay, so at this point I'm adding the shade, what's the shade called? Mediterranean. And I'm connecting the purple shade towards the cut, but my dumbass is out of frame. You can see it right there. And then I'm taking the shade Seychelles, I believe. I'm not rich enough to know what that is. And I'm just going to ahead and blend that into Mediterranean. And you just want to go back and forth between the 2 shades so they'll blend into each other and it looks nice and seamless. And then you're going to go into the shade Inheritance, which can't relate. I'm going to go and blend that into Seychelles, and again go back and forth between the shades so they're nice, smooth and seamless and blended and cute as fuck. So now at this point, this is my little cut crease hack. Because where I cut my crease is like the shade Canis is not as visible, there's not enough contrast, so it just goes straight from the shimmers to Bahamas. But I want that ombre effect to go all the way through, so using a small detail brush like this, I like to pick up a little bit of Canis and just line up that little cut right there and just start blending it up. Very simple but very effective. So now we're going in with the ColourPop colored liners that were just recently released. This is like a whole video using new products. This was my first time using it for this look. It was a little risky, but I feel like it paid off well. I'm starting where the shades Canis and Mediterranean meet. That's going to be like my end point, and I'm trying to make this wing be right between the Bahama and Canis wing, if that makes sense. Just watch the video, sis. So just real quick, my thoughts on these liners since I am introducing them in this video. I feel like they're great. The payoff is really nicely, but when they're drawn over shadow, I feel like you have to keep layering the color, because as you can see here, Canis is still like bumping through. They don't give no fucks. But that could also mean the shadow is very, very pigmented. Oh, at this point we're using the white, and of course I'm not showing it because I'm a dumbass. But yeah, the same thing with the white. I feel like it just dragged some of the shadow, probably even like removed some. But as long as you just keep layering it, the pigment will come through, and it does look nice. And at this point, I'm just blending in the pink colored liner into the white to like make it nice and clean looking, and it looks like a nice little ombre wing. And it just looks sickening. Like, get at my level, sis. Okay, quick before my laptop fan turns on again, I'm going in with the shade Bahamas with this tiny little Morphe brush, and I'm just gonna smoke that out because I'm gonna be adding in Canis to give it that same ombre that we did on top, but on the lower lid. It's gonna look real cute. Oh, I guess I already did it. Okay, so then I'm going in with this little colored pencil. I believe I got this from Wish. I'm not too sure about the brand, but if you're really interested, I'm gonna try and link where I got them down below. They're actually really nice. I got a few colors, and this purple is pretty vibrant and sickening, and it did what it had to do, period. And then I'm going in with Canis again to set that liner just in case I start crying like I am now. Because, girl, I got the email. Ah! But yeah, we're going to go in with Anastasia and Resi highlighter in the inner corner and on my brow bone. Y'all see what I'm saying? I like to add some highlight, get it popping. And then I'm going to add some lashes.
Electric chair.
So, of course, I'm just going to go ahead and wrap up this video. A little montage of what I used to finish up this face. And yeah, at this point you're pretty much done, so I'm gonna leave it off to past Andre to wrap this video up. And that's gonna wrap up this video using the new Anastasia Beverly Hills Riviera palette. This is honestly a need. These colors are amazing. The pigment is there. Blendability on 100. And I think I snapped. Like, I'm really proud of this look. And I never knew I could like do this. I don't know. I'm just gonna thank God and Beyonce and Norvina, cause bitch. Anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this up. If you enjoyed what you saw, if you learned something a little new, please go ahead and like this video. Don't forget to subscribe. It would mean a lot. I'm always on Twitter having an episode or fighting some bigot. My socials are right here, so don't be shy, come through. And yeah, until next time, I'll see you guys. Okay, bye.